welcome. Please let's go ahead and share the reminder. Let's go ahead, share the reminder with friends, loved ones. Let's share the reminder that we are live already. Let's have more people connect tonight. It's going to be massive. Tonight is the last night on this journey. Please let's share as much reminders we can share tonight. Let's share as many as we can. Let's share to others. Let's tell them we are live already. Let's have more people connect tonight. It's going to be massive. This section is going to be amazing, super amazing, super amazing. So please let's have more people connect tonight. Okay, network is failing. Some I think there's network challenge, but we believe we have more people. Okay, you are welcome. For those who are just joining, you are welcome. You are welcome for the last night of this section. It's been amazing back to back in the past 2 days. We've been having a nice time here. A whole lot of secret has been shared, and I'm quite sure men are going to be printing as much dollar as they could print in the next few days. Let me just flip through the testimony we received yesterday from some of the students who attended yesterday's section. I posted a whole lot of them on our community tonight. Earlier today, you can see here this person say, "Good morning, sir. Hope you had a great night. Thanks for yesterday empowerment." That is what I call it. You are really empowering us. I appreciate your efforts, sir. And also asked me to analyze some coins tonight. You know, I told you guys yesterday that I'm going to you should chat me up any coin you want me to analyze. I'm going to analyze them today. See this testimony again. Looking forward for today's section. Yesterday was info pack. All thanks to you, all thanks to God. Now you can see here, good morning, sir. My name is Ajayi, and I am part of your YouTube eye-opening class, both day 1 and 2. Please, after today's session, can we get a promo discount for your VIP class? I said, okay, no problem. I'll consider. We'll see what we can do. I'm just flipping through some of the testimony. You can see here, boss. Good morning. How are you doing today? In fact, I really enjoyed the live section yesterday, and this made me sad for missing the previous one. Thank you for a lot of selfless service unto humanity. You are truly a mentor. Guess I will see the video for the first section. Section. I mean. All right, no, I will see what we can do. You are welcome. I'm just exercising patience to have more people connect, and we intentionally postpone this class to be 8:30 tonight. We extend the time so that we can have more people. I've received a lot of comments from different people saying that they come back late from work, and that's actually delayed them from attending the section. So having them here tonight is going to be helping us to share a lot of secrets. And you can see we have a large community. These over 52 groups. These are people that have been trained on cryptocurrency. On this group alone, we had, I think, over 1,007 or so on this community. This is another community here, so they can see this is what we've been doing. This is another community with over 33 groups, a whole lot. We have trained and trained and trained and trained. So how many people do okay, we have 24 people. Wow, this is awesome. So guys, I think we have no choice than to start tonight's section. We already had enough already. Please, one thing you need to do very fast, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, it's very, very important that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So just do well by hitting on the subscribe button right away. Hit on the subscribe button, ensure you are part of what we are doing right here in KCA. So hit on the subscribe button, and that by doing so, you are actually contributing to KCA and you are improving the work we are doing. So let me open my notes and let's see what we are reviewing tonight. Oh, sorry, this something. Okay, ongoing bull run. Yes, so this is what we are reviewing tonight, and you can see we started what is bull run. That was what I explained. The one reviewing the seasonal calendar, the concept of ATH, coin to take profit on, coin to hold. I shared a whole lot yesterday, and I think I mentioned Ada yesterday. So if you don't mind, can we just take a look at what Ada has done today? Let's see how the chart has looked like, and let's see some of the coins I mentioned yesterday. I have not even checked the chart so far today, but I think we can take a review on that very fast. Let's just see how far they've been able to do. So please ensure you give a like button. Hit on the like button already. If you're enjoying the class, just hit on the like button. Ensure you hit on the like button. Let me on the comment section so that we have people drop their comments. If you have been enjoying the class, drop your comments. If you have something you wish we could do to make you enjoy the class the more, please do well to drop it in the comment section. You can see Ada here. Ada actually had a retracement after that yesterday. You can see the retracement here, and add -2%, which is apparently nothing. And I think, to me, this is a good entry for those who didn't enter yesterday. You can enter. I see far below $1. It's an opportunity, but it grew well, and we can be sure that very soon maybe we'll be hitting 1.2 or more, if not this weekend. By next weekend, all things being equal. So let's look up to getting the best from Ada. And I think the market generally is a little bit down. Yes, you can see BTC also on -1%. So the market is a little down. So now that the market is down, is there any coin doing well so far? You know, at times when you're analyzing coin, one of the things you want to look at is when the market is down, when all ships are down, are there still some coin trying to move? So those coins right now are telling you that irrespective of the current trend in the market, they are still trying to pull more strength to ensure that they move irrespective of the current trend in the market. So at times you want to look at them and see that at times it shows you how strong they are. Don't forget, yesterday I mentioned ETC, that's Ethereum Classic, and I thought that when ETH pump, ETC will surely do well as well. You can see ETC started pumping from $17. I think like 2 weeks ago it was far below that, and I think ETC has done. This is a weekly chart. Let's check the weekly chart. I think in the last 1 month alone, this was one. We can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like 4 counts. So like a month ago, we can see ETC was far below $17.2, and from $17.2, it has gone as far as hitting $33.54. 33.5 to 17.4. That's almost 100%. Let's check 1 month chart and see what it has done. You can see here, as a matter of fact, to make the thing easy for you, okay, let me on my assistive touch. Let me on my assistive touch so that it can help us. I think one of the coin, just like what I told you yesterday, when XRP pump, expect XLM to pump. Also, when ETH pump, that's Ethereum, expect ETC, Ethereum Classic, to pump. Expect ETHFI to pump. Those coins must surely pump. They are the same family. They are brothers and sisters. They are in the same neighborhood. They are living together. All right, we must watch the adverts. We must. Are we done? Okay, we are done watching the adverts. So those coins must pump. They are brothers. They are neighbors. They live together in the same neighborhood. They work together. They live together. They do things together. So expect them to move together in the same vein. Let this assistive touch pop up so that we can move forward in our class tonight. Okay, here it is. It's up already. So let's go further to our class. Let's go back checking. There's something I want to show you. I want to show you on Binance. So just come down to this place. See the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, it has done more than 67%. In the last 90 days, more than 72%. In the last 180 days, more than 7%. In the last 1 year, more than 9%. And looking at this, for those who understand technical analysis too well, if you have a deeper knowledge on technical analysis, what do you see in this? You are seeing that the last trend, the last rally it went, see the last rally it went. The last rally, I'm coming. I'm trying to zoom so that I can show you. The last bullish rally ETC experience. Don't forget that, like what I mentioned right now, when you see ETH, expect ETC to move as well. The last rally experience, the candle were just small, was a little push. See this one candle that is coming out, this monthly candlestick, this more or less like a break of structure, is closing 3 bearish candle at the same time. No more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 5 bearish candle are being covered up at the same time. If this chart was zoomed out on system, you can actually call this a bullish engulfing candlestick. Oh, some people say their network is bad. Mine is absolutely good. I think mine is absolutely good. YouTube is hanging. Network is very bad. So what should we do? Mine is very good here. Mine is very good here. Very, very good. Because if there is any network interruption, YouTube will have alert me to try again or reconnect. So I believe my network is very good. So please just endeavor to do something you can over there to ensure that you have a good network. Ensure you maybe troubleshoot to another network, or you swap to another. If you are using maybe another SIM, you can swap to other network so that you can ensure that you have a good network. So if you are considering this chart on a normal trend, this is a break of structure here. A break of structure. You can see this is a break of structure here occurring right here. This is a break of structure, very clear break of structure. You can call it break of, you can call it, it's actually breaking the bearish structure, and you can also call it a bullish engulfing candlestick. It's actually engulfing all the bearish candle that was earlier before then. So that's what it's doing at that moment. So you can be sure right now. And the last all-time high, which year did this happen? This happened in 2021. Imagine that, guys. Come and see something. The last all-time high was also in 2021. Don't forget, one thing I told you yesterday was that the all-time high at times can be broken earlier. At times it happens earlier before the main trend. I mentioned that yesterday. It happens earlier before November at times. It's not. What matters is that we are in the bull year, and once we are in bull year, any coin can break their all-time high. As a matter of fact, some coin can break their all-time high in the pre-bull year. So not all of them are going to break it in the bull season. For instance, BTC already broken its all-time high. SOL already did even before the bullish season. So some might did earlier than the time, and some might did even exactly that time. So it all depends. It doesn't necessarily mean that it must be broken during that what's called during November, which is the peak of the bull season. So imagine right here, if this coin hits $179 that year, and it's showing us a bullish engulfing here right now, we know where it's going to again this year. We know where it's going to. And as a matter of fact, it's still far low, because the lowest it's even got to from that bullish season till now was maybe $17. I think the lowest is $14. That's the lowest it has ever gotten to. And now see it now showing a very strong, powerful move. And all that in the last 30 days, it has done more than 67%. I'm not sure ETH, who is the founder or father of ETC, has even done that. Let's check ETH. Let's check what Ethereum has done in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, Ethereum has only done 39%. 39%. And ETC has done more than times 2 of this in the last 30 days. And come take a look at it. Let's check SRP. SRP is like father to SLM. In the last 30 days, SRP has done 184%. Let's check what SLM has did in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, SLM has done what? Wow. What do you see, guys? Over 409%. That's more than 4 times its initial price. So you can see that the variation is too high. I mean, I don't know, maybe that one is telling someone something tonight. Just like for some of us who have been long in this system and we understand how this system works. Now, it is believed that at times people doesn't do what others do. They believe that majority of people are going to look at SRP. They are looking at XLM, which is like the brother, which majority of people are not looking at. Do you get my point? But almost the same functionality. Are you getting something tonight? So that's how the system works. So at times you look at Dodge, other people are looking at Pepe, other people are looking at Shiba Inu. Are you getting me? Because they believe they are derivative of it, since they are used for the same purposes. Do you get my point? For instance, now if BTC is pumping, though they are not, SL is not directly connected to BTC, but if BTC is pumping, I'm ready to buy SL at any price I find it, because SL has a undeniable attachment to BTC. They will always move together. So tonight, I'm just analyzing just showing one or two things tonight. What am I even talking about before we got here? Okay, we are just looking at a coin that is doing well, irrespective of what the market trend is like, and we see BNB showing, it's showing a strong trend. So the coin I've recommended so far, I've recommended ADA. See, ADA is back to $1. Even while we're still communicating, it's back to $1 exactly. The coin I've recommended so far, I've recommended ADA. I've recommended which other coin that I recommended yesterday that you can buy and hold? Tron. Do you see this Tron coin? I'm ready to hold it to you. I don't know when. This Tron, I'm not even ready to take profit next 1 year, 2 years, because I think it was my student I was explaining one of the mentorship section that I told them that Tron has a lot of perspective. A lot of perspective. A whole lot is happening on Telegram, and it's Telegram native token. For instance, right now, for some of us that run advert on Telegram, you understand very well that you can't run advert on Telegram. You only pay with Tron. You receive your reward on Tron. Some of us that our Telegram channel has been monetized. You understand too well that they pay you in Tron as well. So a whole lot of things is happening through the Tron token. We only have 1 like tonight. Please, let's hit on the like button. Let's have multiple likes, guys. No, 1 is too small. We can do better than that. 27 of us are connected right now, and we're having 1 like. No. Hit on the like button so that we can move forward. Hit on the like button. Guys, please do well. Hit on the like button so that we can move forward. Shows that what we are actually doing in the real sense is that when you do that, it actually helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps the YouTube algorithm to get to promote our video and share with with others. Only 2 people. That's not fair. So let's have more people hit on the like button. Let's have more people hit on like button. It's very, very important. If you are following tonight, kindly do so. Drop on the comment section. Oh, I love what I'm seeing here. Let's just help the algorithm to help our YouTube channel. And the more we can move, the better we can get more people join us. I trust you guys. I know what you can do. So the coins I've recommended so far, I've recommended Ada, and I'm still adding to my recommendation tonight. I've recommended XLM, telling you that I'm hoping for $1 very soon on XLM, and I'm adding to my recommendation tonight. I'm adding what's it called? I'm adding ETC to my recommendation, Ethereum Classic. I'm adding to my recommendation tonight. Add ETC to my recommendation tonight. These are the coins I can guarantee you that we have a long way to go, and that we can be sure that we are going to do massively well in the nearest future. SRP apparently is going to break $2 very soon. That has no negotiation. But one thing you should know is that all these things are not financial advice. I need to state that as warning. Don't say, sir, you asked us to buy. No. Don't. If you want to buy any coin, you know too well that you actually risk is a risk. You are taking a risk, but with the hope of profit. So they are not financial advice. Ensure you do your own personal research as well. Make your personal findings so that you don't end up making costly mistake. I may recommend a coin, it may not go well with you, or it may not suit you well. Then go ahead and buy the one that you like, that suits you well. There's no sin in it. It's not a sin. It's just based on what you feel it's better for you. But my own recommendation based on my experience, if you are holding Tron, you are not holding Tron to say, okay, you want to take profits. Why do you want to take profit on Tron? You are just holding that coin to maybe one day when it hits $100. That's how they hold those kind of token. They are not either bullish or non-bullish, irrespective of that. Tron token has been one of the biggest coin that has been doing excellently well in the past quite a number of time right now. It went as low this month, as low as this 1 month candlestick, as low as $4.5, and right now it's as high as $6.6. What happened here that played out here was just a retracement. You know, at times that's what one of them I'll talk about tonight. Investor mindset. I think let me just jump into that. One of the things I've not talked about in all this outline out. Okay, these are the coin people recommend that should help them analyze. I'm going to analyze them tonight as well. But one of the things I think I need to talk about that I've not talked about is investor mindset. They are okay. I see someone saying, what about STRK? Let me help you add it up to it. Maybe I'll analyze it. No, don't let it be too much. Oh. If I'm having too much comments, I will not be able to analyze all. I will just analyze the few one I could analyze. So let me add this up to it. STRK. Let me add it up to it. We can't analyze everything, but the few ones we can, we'll touch them tonight. STRK, I've added it up to it. So that's all right. That's good. But nevertheless, I've actually told you guys to actually chat me up yesterday to send me the coin you want to analyze, but only few people did. Well, let me just go back to my outline. Investor mindset. What is investor mindset? Let me show you how the investor think when it comes to the world of crypto. This is how investor reasons. This is their own reasoning. They don't reason like the way you see. There are different kind of traders. We have the inter traders, we have the day traders, we have the retail trade. All of us generally, as long as you don't have up to $1 million in your portfolio that you're trading with, we are all retail traders. We are all retail traders. You know what they call retail? Like someone, business studies now. Where did they teach us on retail, wholesale, and like she gets? So we are all retail traders. But this is how investors think. Investor does not think the way retail traders think. If retail traders want to think right now, they will look at this Tron coin. They will go to maybe 1 day chart. Let me go to 1 day chart and show you something. They will go to 1 day like this. They will now come like this. They will zoom in. On 1 day itself, that's been bullish. But I'm trying to look at something where, okay, let me go on 1 week chart. On 1 week chart. Now, assume these 3 candles, these 4 candles are not here right now. Assume these 4 green candles are not here. You see, the retail traders will look at it and say, right from when it breaks its all-time high here, 7.269, she get, it has been on a downtrend, got rejected again here at this major resistance line. It has been on a downtrend, consistent downtrend. But that's not how investor think. Investor thinks long term. And I can tell from years of experience, it pays to invest in the world of crypto than even trading it. I repeat myself. Quote me anywhere. You guys are, majority of you guys here tonight are my students. I drop futures trading signals virtually every single day. and you guys are there, you are receiving it, you are seeing what's going on there. But I can also tell you from my own experience, it pays investing on the long term than even trading. Trading is, oh, I want to buy, sell, take profit, one, take profit too. No, investing is, I want to invest, and after maybe 1 month, 2 months, I want to take my profits. Now, look at how retail traders would have think. They would have said this is on a downtrend. But a investor mindset or investor will just go to 1 month chart. And what you see here is that, oh, the coin keep going up, it's a very major high here, retrace downward, and there was a little rejection and pull back again. But looking at it clearly, well, on monthly candlestick, we're on a bullish trend. Looking at Tron, on daily candlestick, we are on bullish trend. You can see it here, you can see it here, you can see how the rejection back to the major resistance line and pull back again, come back here again, retest it again, and up we go again. Now look at the 1 week candlestick. The 1 week candlestick shows there was a rejection downward here, and after this rejection, this candle has actually, this previous last week candle before this one already closed below this resistance line, which is a major hit on it. It has already closed above it. Then you are sure we are in a bullish rally. Don't be surprised if in the next maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, or maybe by January, what's called Tron coin break is all-time high. So investors look at the long-term perspective. Why do traders look at the short-term perspective? They are just concerned about what is happening right now. No, it's not about right now. It's about what am I going to get on the long term. I've advised many of you, I've told you several times, try and invest in the world. Try and invest in the system. Try as much as you can. And when you are investing, only invest with the money you are not in need of right now. How will you invest in the world of crypto with the money that you want to use next week, 1 week, 2 weeks, or the money that will be needing next 3 days or 4 days? It doesn't make sense. Invest with the money that you don't need anytime soon. Invest with the money that you are not, it's not really a burden, a spare money. They're like, okay, maybe next 2 months, 3 months, I'm ready to take profit. My students can testify. I think let me try something tonight if I can find it. I hope I can find it. I hope I can find it. But let me just try my best. I just want to flip to some 2 months ago or 3 months ago. I remember very well when I told them to buy Tron coin to hold for a long time. I think it was our last month's mentorship section. Let me just try. Let me try. I'm not sure, but I know. Assuming we can unmute mic on YouTube. Some of them will have tell you tonight, but we can't unmute mic on YouTube. Let me try as much as I can. If I can find it. God, I wish I can. I want to show you when I insist on them buying Tron coin. Guy, I may not be able to find it tonight. You can see our entry on Floki, and that actually break this entry long time ago. I may not be able to find, but I remember really well. I started telling them to buy Tron coin right from when Tron coin was on less than $5. Okay. Like less than, maybe it was less than $4. I can't remember. When I started telling them, I know it's virtually more than a month ago, so it was apparently less than $5 then. I told them to buy Tron and hold for long time. Some of them can testify. It was our last mentorship section. I insisted and I keep shouting it, buy Tron and hold for long, hold for long. Tron has just did less than maybe 28 or 30% since then. No, I don't care. Just hold it. Just abandon it there. Just abandon it there. A whole lot is happening on the Tron network. A whole lot. All the airdrops you are doing today are via the Tron network. A whole lot. They pull and turn around the world of crypto. A whole lot. So guys, ensure we get as much as we need to get done on this space. So if you can buy and hold for a long time. So investors think that way. They look at the long-term perspective. They don't just look at the 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. They look at the monthly candlesticks to be able to judge and make their decision on the long time. So now, what other thing that I have in my outline that I intend to mention? I still have like 30 minutes to go tonight. We are just 30 minutes way into the class. We still have like 30 minutes to go. What are the whales buying right now? Well, this video on what are the whales buying right now, it's kind of I'll be doing no good by showing you how you can track whales portfolio. That's a video like what I mentioned yesterday. I did a whole lot on that video and I reserved it for my A to Z class student alone. They have access to it on how they can track. Like for instance, right now, one of the course in the A to Z class, you can track Binance wallet, you can track KuCoin wallet, you can track what's it called, how to track them, how to know their wallet and see what they are holding. And automatically you want to hold what the whales are holding. Why if Binance is holding a coin, what is stopping from holding that coin? Binance are not just human who like some of us like this that no, if they are holding a coin, they are holding a coin maybe $2 million, $3 million, and they believe in the project and they have a much more experts and they have the first hand information. So sorry guys, I will not be able to show you that video tonight on how to track the whales portfolio. Let me just use that to respect my students in the AZ class and let them have a value for their money. Let them have a value for that. I feel like checking this flow key. I feel like checking it. I posted this coin on 14th of October. Flow key 14th of October. I don't know what brought. Okay, we are looking for Tron coin when I mentioned it, but we couldn't get there. And I said hold on spot, expect 100% to 200%. And come and see when I posted it. Come and see where the price was. The price was on 0.00014 at 8th of October. Let's check the flow key again tonight. Let's see if you can find that coin. For those who buy and hold, then I don't know. You know, at times when you are where they are dropping too much signal self, you not feel like you just like I don't need this one, Jerry. So let's check if you can. Flow key is not that far. It's something we'll see very fast. See it here. It's not that far. It's a very good coin. You can see it here. Let's see what has done in the last 1 month. See, in the last 30 days, I posted it in October. October, what I posted it? October 14th. So in the last 1 month, the flow key has done more than 57% on sports. More than 57% on sports. I didn't even track itself. You can see that. Let's check the 1 week or 1 week candlestick. You can see it has been on uptrend and it has done more than 57% on sports in the last 1 month alone. When we posted that coin, I just feel like checking it. Let me even check the outcome of it tonight. So that's not where we're going. So I will not be able to talk about that outline. Please pardon me. Just let me use that to respect my students. The only one I can tell you is that just hold coin with high market cap. Let me see which other ones I have there. What are the whales buying? Analyzing the current market trend, we've already done that already. Impact of the US election, we've already done that already. Core, Memify, Sand, and likes, we're done. Okay, let me, since I can't talk about this on what the whales are buying, let me add something up just to help some people analyzing. And you know, the amazing thing about life is that some of my students in the AZ class did not still know that this course is in their portfolio because the course is too loaded. Some of them have not even watched half of the course. I hear they are just making profit and they are okay. They don't even want to study. Well, such is life that people don't know. People are just looking for expo. They don't want to do. They don't want to do the study. They just want to and bring the results. Analyzing with market cap. Let me show you. Let me show you how to analyze with market cap. Let me use that one to compensate for those who are not in the HZ class. Let me just use that one. But that's not the secret. What the whales are doing, that's not the secret. But let me just use that one. So let's go back to Binance. So when you come back to Binance here, you can come back to market cap. Click on market cap. Anything you see right here on market cap, anything you see right here on market cap, are you getting me? Anything you see right here on market cap, these are based like this $1.8 trillion you are seeing on BT. These are the money people have invested. So the higher the market cap, the bigger the investors. So market cap matters a lot. At time you want to invest in a coin, go and check the market cap. Some people will tell you buy low market cap. I'm not denying the fact. Buy low market cap so that when it pump be weak. But the truth is the risk is high. They won't tell you that. They won't tell you that. Buy low market cap coin. Buy low market cap coin so that it can pump 10x. But you have forgotten easily that the same way it can pump 10x, it can dump 10x. Be wise. Be smart. Let me show you something. When Docs coin, you know all these things are provable. I wish maybe WhatsApp have a search button. I would have just searched on WhatsApp. Telegram has, but like what I told you yesterday, there's a lot of secret on my Telegram that I don't wish to reveal to the public so that it doesn't look it doesn't get outrageous. Let me search dog coin. Dog, you know that dog that we did on airdrop, and that dogs that we did on airdrop that we make money on, guys. You can still remember one of our students make more than $120 on dogs. I want to find that coin and show you. You see, it's even far below. I'm trying to find where the market cap is or where it's the number it's ranked on Binance. Okay, maybe we just use the search button. Some of you are still holding hamster, Abby, to tell you how wise you are. So smart. You people will not follow those who you need to follow that knows the way and show you the way. Immediately docs was released, I sold out, make some money and just zoom off with life. Let me show you. See, since the day it was, I think I sold somewhere around here. That's when I sold and made my money and zoom off. Some of you are still down with it till here. Went down, your money went as down as this. Not because dog is not a good coin. Dog is a good coin. You can even hold it if you want to hold for a long time. But at least cutting demand immediately after the airdrop. Wait for it to touch the bottom, then enter and ride the wave with it. But some of you are investing in low market cap, low market cap are doing well, but they only do well on the short term. Show me a low market cap coin who has been doing well on the long term and constantly on doing well. It's rare, it's hard. What we see, there's something called liquidity in the market. Liquidity is money. And where the investors are is where the liquidity are. Investing low market cap is wrong, but trading low market cap is right. There's a difference between investing and trading. You can trade low market cap for a short while, maybe for the next 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, as the case may be. But investing in low market cap can be the wrong thing you are doing. One of my students lately showed me, you see, one of my students said he did. I remember very well. That was when I was talking about that coin. They are all here tonight, so they can testify what I'm saying. You see, one of my students joined our signal room. I think lately someone referred him, and he showed me his portfolio. He may be here listening to me tonight, and I saw a lot of shit coin, and he's holding them with good amount of money. Some with $100, $200, $300. I'm like, what? You don't invest this way. You can only trade with this coin for a while. When they pump, you pump with them, you come out. But when it comes to investing, you see, I learned this like 4 years ago. The majority of the mistakes some of us are making is that we are not ready to learn. We just want to make the money. We don't want to learn. Someone joined my signal room lately, and I mean, this guy has said a lot of things. And I told the guy before he joined the signal, I said, join the A2Z class. I'm still going to attend to him tonight. I don't know, maybe he's here listening to me. Join the A2Z class. I said, no, you just want to make money. You see, wait. Let me tell you, crypto is not a Ponzi scheme. Well, if you are here tonight and you are looking for a Ponzi scheme, please just end this live section and go and sleep. You are in the wrong place. It's not a Ponzi scheme. We learn here. We invest in knowledge here to make money. How much we learn determines how far we earn. My strengths are this profitable today based on the knowledge of the years, hours. There are days that 7 hours non-stop, 8 hours non-stop. I'm just reading about crypto, about the financial markets, what is happening, fundamental analysis. I have a lot of, right now, as we're talking right now, some playlists on Forex fundamental analysis have been saved up almost, if not almost 23 videos. Some of them are 1 hour, some of them are 2 hours. I will sit down and watch everything. And you are here, you don't even want to watch the slightest 5 minutes. Imagine the secret we are bringing here tonight. Some students cannot even afford to join for 10 minutes. And yet, they are sitting there. Sir, which coin is pumping next? You don't ask me such question. Even my student does not. Which coin is pumping next? Go and Google it now. Just press on Google which coin is pumping next. Let them bring it up if that's how easy it is. I mean, so. If they are looking for Ponzi scheme or something, go and do Yahoo. It's better. Go and do Yahoo. Just go and do Yahoo. You make it very fast. You are not ready to learn. That's the painful thing. Like what I said, some of my students are here tonight. The course I'm talking about, right, how to track the whale's wallet, is in their course, is in the course they paid for, but they have not even opened that video for once. No. But sir, what coin is pumping next? I will show it is my duty. If you are in the signal, that's why you paid me. You paid me to tell you to read the book for you. That's why you are paying me. And that's why some of you are still paying me. And that's the reason why I'm learning. So that I can be ahead. If I go to my YouTube tonight, it's just that we are transmitting with the YouTube. I've shown you some playlist already saved up. Learning 24/7. Just to ensure that after they are done releasing Amstar, the next thing, just pack all your money on Amstar. I want to invest on Amstar. Abba. Why will you do that? Investing on Amstar for what? Let's check Amstar now. Maybe that guy is still here. Amstar that even to oh my god, They did well though. To me, they did well because now of that did the airdrop is too much. Self. They did well now. Abba, if it's you, can you dash that kind of money? See them. See this guy. Boom on. I mean, how will you invest on low market cap? Look at the market cap. We are talking about market cap tonight. Find out market cap and find out if you can see them on market cap. Let's check market cap. You will see them. They are below, down below. It doesn't make sense. One of the things I learned early in crypto space was that they told me that year that I think I read that even on Binance Academy, that before you want to invest, make sure you find coin with high market cap and put your money in them. One benefit they do is that they may not pump 200% in a day, 300% in a day, but you can be sure also that they can be down 300% in a day. You know, some of you know that we are into stocks and shares as well. You know that we're into stocks and shares. Some of you have not bought course on stocks and shares. Please ensure you buy that course on stocks and shares. It's very, very important. So there's something we call in stocks. We call it capital gain. Capital gain. They are coin that we call them capital gain, and there's something called growing stocks. These are stocks that grow. They don't pump, but they grow with time. And they are coin with high market cap. So if you are making your investment, let it be between the first 30 or first top 30 coin on the market cap. From BTC, ETH, SOL, BNB, SRP, DOGS, USDC is a fiat coin, so that's not a coin. It's just a fiat. ADA, TRX, you can see Tron. Tron is trying to make some move. I don't know what's happening in that space, but Tron has been trying to make some magical move recently. You can even see in the last 30 days, he has done like plus 23%. He has been trying to move. I have been noticing it. He has been trying to move. As a matter of fact, we don't even know what's happening. As this guy breaks all-time high. Wow, amazing. It doesn't even break all-time high. And people say he has been trying to move. These guys even break all-time high. The last all-time high in 2021. Don't forget that we told you 2021 was the last bullish season. That was, and see this guy has even breaks all-time high. Me, I'm even thinking he's trying to move. And as a matter of fact, the guy has even done by breaking his all-time high. So there's some coin like that they are done already. They may just increase a little, but as far as the bull season is done, concerned, they are done. So when they have broken the all-time high, they may still grow again. Like BTC has broken its all-time high right now. It may see it's 130 and the likes, much more. But the coin you are looking at for right now are coins that are yet to break their all-time high. So check between the first 30 market cap, check their market cap, find out what they are doing, and run with them. SUI has done excellently well. One of our students made, I think, more than $300 or so on this coin itself. You can see SUI here. Boom. We dropped SUI when it was far below $1 or around that rate. That's when we dropped SUI. And guys made a whole lot of money from SUI. SUI has broken and overbroken self. So that one, you can start taking profit near much more. So just look at those tokens. So now, how do you use the market cap? I just told you right now, based on whatever you are seeing here, tells you the kind of, you can't imagine people that put 1.8 trillion on a coin on BTC. They can't watch BTC go down minus 50% in their highs. It's not possible. They will use their money to back it up again. So those ones are not just humans, like they are not just individual, they are not just you and your family members. These are whales, these are companies, these are conglomerates. Let me stop here tonight because of my time. I intend this class to be 1 hour. So let me find out the coin people ask me to analyze. And please don't submit any coin again. I may not be able to do much again. Let's analyze Core, Memify, Vet. Let's see what they are doing. Core. Let's see Core. If you can find it tonight, let's try and analyze Core. Core, are you there? Core, are you there? Let's find. Is it still on Binance? Well, amazing. There's no analysis you can do on this coin itself because currently it's even on Web3 wallets. It has not been listed on Binance officially, like being listed fully. It's just on their Web3 wallet. And I think one of the things that gives credence to coin is when they are listed on Binance fully. It gives them a lot of credence. So you can be sure that Core is just like 30 over 100. Already, I'm not saying it can't pump, but please, this is not a financial advice. It can pump, but based on my own analysis here that I'm doing here, that's what I'm judging my Memify. How will I analyze Memify? Memify is a new coin, Abi. Is there another Memify? Memify is just a airdrop now. They're just trying to come up. So what are we? Those ones are still seen now minus 25%. This is what we are telling you guys. Minus 25% on one day. In less than this minus in 24 hours. We don't have anything to do with Memify. These are just airdrop. If you have them on airdrop, you want to sell them, sell them. You want to owe them, owe them. So just enjoy your airdrop. If you have the money on airdrop, enjoy flex. Let's see vet. Vet. I remember some years ago when we started crypto earlier, I asked one of my friends to buy this coin. He has not taken profit today. That time we were so dumb. So we just look at the market, just like which one is on maybe on a lower trend. We just okay, let's buy this one. Like the price is low, very, very cheap. Now let's buy and hold. Now my friends today we still say every time we say, sir, what about vet now? Like 4 years ago, we were still so new in the crypto space. So we didn't know anything much then. But let's see what vet is doing right now. Well, let's see when this all-time high was broken. This was in 2021 also, it broke some. And if you notice, majority of the coin I've been analyzing, like this altcoin, majority of them broke their all-time high in 2021. April precisely. April precisely. Note that down. April. Majority of them don't even wait till October. April. So January, February, March, April, something big is happening. So just take note of those days. They might actually be dumped in March, possibly, then pump in April for the all-time high, because when they want to break the all-time high like that, the previous one's always a little bit down and not just. So looking at VET, I don't know what else to analyze this coin, but nevertheless, looking at VET, you can be sure we are seeing a break of structure already. It's not really bad. What we are seeing here is like this on 1 month candlestick, and this candle, this single candle, has broken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a good break of structure already we are seeing here, but you can't really say until you wait for a retest. But if you also want to look at it on the other hand, it broke the structure earlier before then. It broke the structure here and came down for a retest. You can call this support line here a retest line, came back for a retest, and here we see this guy flying up again. You know that this line is a major line. You can see the critical point here, 1, 2, 3. You can see the critical point. So we can say it's up and it's going to go up. So with what we are seeing, whoever asks us to analyze this coin, chances are it's far better than those one like core and that. So for it, we can say 50% is likely to go up. Like what I said, nobody should drop any coin again. I've already received enough, and I'm just trying to round off on the ones I've received. I asked you guys to drop it yesterday. So these are the people that chatted me up. Sand, let's see Sand. Sand remind me of the days of Metaverse. Who can remember them? If you don't remember the days of Metaverse, you are still a baby in the crypto world. The days of Metaverse. We made money from Metaverse, and Metaverse also made money from us. Then that was when Facebook renamed their parent name to Meta. Though some of you can remember Metaverse. It's as well. Gone are those days. You can see here, it was also in 2021. I think 2021. Remember when Sand breaks all-time high? Well, on Sand, I can say one or two things. I can't really say Sand is going to come and break this all-time high this boost season. No, I can't really say, because the fundamental that really helped Sand then was the days of Metaverse. There were even many. There is Sand, there is I'm trying to remember these coins. There were many then. We used to buy them. There is Mana, there is Sand, they are all Metaverse coin. So their fundamental was really high. Their fundamental was really based on Metaverse. So except there's a revival back on Metaverse, if there is none, it's just like the days of Web3 coin. It's just like the days of Layer 2. I get me. So they only work based on season. So that's how those coins work. So you may expect to go up, but you may not really expect it to go as high as you think it will. You don't expect to come and break one time. No. And like what I used to say, not all coins are going to break the all-time high. Some are just going to pump for the moment because there's a pump in the market. So, and some coins are released based on the current trend in the market that season. Like this Sand, Mana, I remember now, ENJ, all of them were the same family. I think this guy even joined them. We were the same family. They were all released and they were doing excellently well in the days. As a matter of fact, in the days of Metaverse, Sand was leading the game. Sand was leading it in the days of Metaverse. You just come up in the morning, Sand on plus 20%, plus 30%. So they may go up, express a little uptrend, but not likely that they will break their all-time high again. Not likely. Because the fundamental behind them and they were released at a certain season. Some of you know some DeFi coin. They were tied to an ecosystem. They were tied to some of you know some BEP20 coin that you made a lot of money then. Are you making money then now? No. They were tied to an ecosystem. So that's the case of Sand. They were tied to a season. A season, like we're in there are days that we're in days of the virtual reality. Those are those days, virtual game, virtual those things. So they were tied to that system. For instance, now Tron is trying to start to Telegram. If anything happens to Telegram today, Tron will go down today, irrespective of what's happening in the market. So it was tied to a system. Do you get my point? So it chance it will also go up. Let's see AMP and STRK. AMP and STRK. Let me just analyze those two. Then we'll call it a day. And that was the final. And the final. Wow, AMP is doing well. I don't know what's happening here, but let's check. And one of the things I don't know about now, I can't share all the secrets with you guys here now. I want to show you some things again now that is a secret that I use in analyzing coin, but I don't try. You guys should go and buy the course, or the crypto Z course. There's so many things there. You guys go and buy it if you need those secrets. Okay, so AMP, what we are seeing here is you can consider this one as all-time high because this was when it was listed. So this is not regarded as all-time high. This is not regarded as all-time high. The same month it was listed was when this high was created. So that's not an all-time high. So we can't consider that as an all-time high. We can only look further and see what's happening in the other trend of it. The 1 month looks not too clear. Let's check 1 week and see what's happening on 1 week. Well, 1 week look bullish. Kind of. You can see here the rally started like 3 or 4 weeks ago, started rallying up a little, then a little pullback, then right now it's closing far above it. My YouTube stopped. Am I right? No, it didn't stop. Someone just dropped something now. With the YouTube link stopped. Okay, no, it didn't stop. It's still ongoing. So you can see AMP that we are considering right now. You can see right there it started going up gradually and went high. It has closed above all this trend right now. All these secrets, all this analyzing I'm doing, they are all in technical analysis course. Majority of it you could not buy the course because it's $100. And a lot of people have bought the course. Someone still bought, I think, the first today. It's just about value. If you are ready to learn, if you don't even buy the course, I will warn you, are you ready to learn? If you are not ready to learn, I'm not even selling. That's it. I'm not even selling. If you are not ready to dedicate time to learn, I'm not selling. So forget about the money. I'm just trying to raise some set of people, new breed of people that can analyze the market very well. So now, you can see there is a major resistance, and this guy has luckily closed above it. So let's wait. If you are trying to long this coin right now, I could say wait for a retest at 0.006530 where it is right now. Let it reverse back maybe after, but this is a weekly candlestick. We can't really use that as a stick. But looking at it on weekly candlestick, whoever asks us to analyze this coin, it looks bullish. Looking at it on weekly candlestick, it looks bullish. It looks a little bit bullish. So, but nevertheless, you can see there was a time that it looked same way like that some years back, some months back. This was same thing that happened there. It looks so bullish, like same way, and it went as high as this, and this guy dumped hardly back. So you can't really judge based on this trend. It may repeat same trend. This coin we are saying right now has the chance of just pumping and break this high again tomorrow morning and reverse back. Do you get my point? So if you are risking money on it, minimize risks. But you can also look at other indicators and find out what I'm saying. You can see the RSI. All these things are in technical analysis because I'm not going to say anything on that. Don't let me commit myself on what I should not. So, which other coin do I have on board? Let me analyze that and then I stop there tonight. STRK. Let me just analyze that. Then I stop and I call it a day. Please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly do so right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. That's going to help us a lot. Help the algorithm promote our videos and help us have more followers. Let more people benefit from what you are benefiting from the same way. So let's see STRK. This guy is looking like he's starting a up rally kind of. If you look at the trend here, it has come down and bottom out. What he's trying to do right now is like he's looking like he's trying to bottom out. It has reached the bottom, but it looks like this guy is trying to bottom out. Let's look at 1 day. 1 day looks so bullish. On 1 day chart, nothing is stopping it. It looks very bullish. It looks bullish on 1 day chart. You can see here. You can see there's a high here. This high is trying to break this previous high. So it looks very bullish on 1 day chart. But 1 week, well, let's trust God. 1 week looks a little bit bullish as well because this is like a downtrend already reversing back within the week. So and has closed above this trend. but that's not enough a yardstick. So if we are going to invest in this coin, we can also give them maybe a fee, a 40% or 50%. But try and check the market cap. When you check the market cap, then whosoever posts this coin, try and check the market cap. When you check the market cap, then you can determine either to give it a 50% thumbs up or not. So guys, we have done so well tonight by explaining all this to you and showing you all these secrets. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. It's been amazing the last 3 days. I've poured out myself, showed you a whole lot about the crypto market, how you can make money. These are knowledge born out of wealth of experience. Then I have just 4 minutes. Well, initially I told you guys that I'm not going to give out giveaway, but looking at the person that asked us, we can do that. For the sake of the person, we are going to do just this is just now. Let's just do it soon. 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. We are going to round off 9:30, which is almost 10. So let's just do a 12 hours giveaway. A 12 hours giveaway, just 12 hours. Please, if you are watching this video and you are watching, maybe today's date is 28th of November. So if you are watching this video later, this giveaway is not applicable to you. This is on 28th of November. This is when this we are working on this right now. It's on 28th of November. So if you are watching anything later than this, that means this giveaway we are giving outside right now is going to expire 10 a.m. on the 29th of November 2024. So if you are watching this video after then, please, this giveaway is not actually applicable to you. Only if you are watching before then it's applicable to you. So please let everybody be aware publicly, so that you're like, they give us a discount. Why not? No, it's not applicable. Well, we can quickly do a 50% discount. 50% discount. The signal room is $50. The A to Z cost is $50. The technical analysis cost is $100. Any of them you want, we can just run that between now and 10 a.m. tomorrow. Anything later than that, please forget about it. Doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. And if you're interested, my WhatsApp number is 08162053748. 08162053748. Just between and 10 a.m. If you are not interested, please. It's just because of that person. Normally, I've told you guys the first day that I'm not going to talk about anything about discounts. Most time, people think when we run class like this, we are trying to gather money. Not all time. We don't actually need that. We don't need the money. Everything I've shared with you tonight, you pay me a dime? Absolutely no, and I don't need it. So, but just for the sake of the person that mentioned that, let's not deny him of the opportunity. But it ends 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you are watching after now, if you are watching this video, please be right sure this is not applicable for that. Anything after 29th of November 10 a.m. is not applicable to you. Thank you so much, guys. I just have 2 minutes. So please, let's do one more thing before we leave. Can you drop a better comment, a very hot comment on this video? I say better comment, a hot comment. Drop a hot comment. You really enjoyed this section. It was wow. If you want us to be holding this section maybe once in a month, a public section like maybe once in a month, once in a week, let me know. Write in the comment section below. If you want us to be holding it, I'll be available to share much more with you and pour out myself to you. I'll not be able to attend to questions tonight. If you are interested, please kindly chat me up on WhatsApp. If you ask any question, I can endeavor to also answer. Thank you so much. My name still remains Kingsley of the King's Crypto Academy. I remain your number one crypto mentor. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp on 08+234 08162053748. 08162053748. Kindly chat me up. Let's discuss anything related to crypto, forex, stocks, and shares. We're into forex, we're into stocks, we're into shares, we're into all of this all together. As far as the financial market is concerned, we are giving out the very, very best we can, and we are doing our best to ensure that our student becomes the best of the best of the best of the best. You can see it. I've shown you the signal room live. There's nothing copy and paste there. This is the signal room I opened to you live, and I showed virtually everything there. You can see the signals that have been dropped. You can see the money that have been made. You can see it. You can see it. You can see the testimonies. You can see this. Let me just show you some. Maybe just flip through one. You can see this one that was run RSR. You can see it here. Eating take profit here. You can see a whole lot. So there's nothing like maybe after all. This is a live record, and you can see it's a screen record. You can see it yourself. You can see it here. A whole lot that we can't even mention. How many do you want to mention? A whole lot that we can't mention that have been dropped here. And you can see student testimony. They are all amazing. So thank you so much for joining, guys. Already 9:30, and I always keep to time. You sure of that. Thanks so much for connecting tonight. Amazing. We have over 34 people watch this live. This is amazing. So please, let's hit on the subscribe button. Let's improve our subscribers to 300 tonight. Let's do that. Hit on it. Turn on the notification bell. It won't cost you anything. Rather, it will actually benefit you the more. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful night rest. Nice having you guys on board. You guys are seriously amazing, and I love you guys so much. And I'll keep bringing the best for you. Do have a wonderful night rest. Thank you. Good night.